Hi, this is Monica Paolini from Santa Fili, and today we're talking about the commercial launch of OnGo and CBRS, and I'm talking to Neeraj Patel at Radisys. Neeraj, tell us, why are we so excited about the commercial launch?
So CBRS has been there for a while. We are finally coming to a stage where real world deployments are going to start. It's all of the efforts that have gone in with certification, all of the efforts that have gone in with this entire vibrant multi-ecosystem that's coming together, to provide everything from devices, the most recent launch of iPhone, supporting band 48, to the CBRS access points, the SaaS servers, and everything that happens to build the CBRS network together. It's coming together, and that's what's really, really exciting right now.
Absolutely. And what is it Radisys is doing in this space?
Oh, Radisys is deeply involved. We are big proponents of CBRS. We have a lot of enabling software that a lot of our customers, who are building CBSE devices, folks who are doing the Evolve Packet Core, people who are building SaaS servers, are talking with us, are using our software for. We provide a lot of system integration services. But really, one of the other things that we do a lot is help in the certification. We actually work with CBRS Alliance through their OnGo, and we have automated a lot of their test cases, and we provide that certification platform. And conversely, on the other side, we help our customers get through that certification. So net, anything that we can do to accelerate CBRS deployments, Radisys is fully supportive and behind that.
There is a lot going on, and this is I've talked to Neeraj. We had a much longer conversation, and if you want to find out more, you can either watch it or read it, and it would be great if you did that. Thank you so much, and thanks, Neeraj.
Thank you.